Welcome to a journey into the world of initial public offerings, or IPOs as they are more commonly known. It's a fascinating realm where companies transition from the private sector to the public market. But what exactly is an IPO, you ask? Simply put, it's when a company sells its shares to the public for the first time. This is a significant event in a company's life cycle, marking a momentous transition from private ownership to public trading. Companies choose to go public for a variety of reasons, including raising capital for expansion, paying off debt, or simply gaining a higher profile. But why should we care? Well, IPOs are a big deal in the financial world. They can create new investment opportunities, potentially offer high returns, and allow for diversification of your investment portfolio. Now that we've laid the groundwork, buckle up as we delve into 10 ways IPOs can change your life. First things first, understanding the basics of IPOs can empower you to make informed investment decisions. So, what is an IPO? An initial public offering, or IPO, is the process by which a private company goes public, selling its shares to the general public for the first time. Why do companies do this? Primarily to raise capital, expand their operations, and increase their visibility. The IPO process involves several stages. It starts with the hiring of investment banks who act as underwriters. They assess the company's financial health, determine the initial share price, and help with the regulatory paperwork. Once approved by the relevant authorities, the shares are listed on a stock exchange and sold to institutional and then retail investors. Key terms to remember are underwriter, prospectus, the document detailing the company's financials and plans, and lockup period, a period post-IPO during which early investors are prohibited from selling their shares. With these basics in mind, you are better equipped to navigate the IPO landscape. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in IPOs is the potential for high returns. Imagine taking a front seat in a company's growth journey, where your investment can multiply significantly if the company performs well post-IPO. Think of companies that started small but are now giants in their industry. These success stories paint an exciting picture of the potential profits that can be reaped. While the potential for high returns is enticing, it's important to remember that with high reward comes high risk. Injecting your portfolio with initial public offerings, or IPOs, can introduce a fresh layer of diversification. This can be a game changer. Imagine spreading your eggs across multiple baskets rather than just one. That's what diversification does. It helps mitigate risk by not tying your fortunes to a single stock or sector. Furthermore, IPOs can potentially boost overall returns, offering a chance to invest in a company's growth story right from the start. Remember, diversification is a key strategy in managing investment risk. IPOs can provide access to new investment opportunities. Imagine the thrill of getting in on the ground floor of an emerging sector or a breakthrough business. It's like being an early bird catching the proverbial worm. You're not just investing in a company. You're investing in a vision, a potential game changer. These opportunities may not have existed before the IPO, but remember, with every new opportunity comes a new challenge. So, stay sharp. New opportunities mean new avenues for growth. While the potential rewards are enticing, it's important to understand the risks associated with investing in IPOs. Firstly, price volatility. IPOs can be a roller coaster ride. On opening day, prices can skyrocket or plummet, and continue to fluctuate wildly afterwards. This can lead to potential losses if not managed carefully. Next, the lack of historical data. Newly public companies don't have a track record in the public market. Without this data, it's tough to predict how the stock will perform. Will the company grow as promised, or will it falter? It's a gamble. Furthermore, there's the risk of overvaluation. During the IPO process, there's a chance that the hype might inflate the company's value. When the dust settles, the stock might not be worth as much as initially thought. And let's not forget the potential for dilution. If the company issues more shares in the future, it could dilute the value of the stocks you hold. Being aware of these risks can help you make more informed investment decisions. Investing in IPOs is not a decision to be taken lightly. Thorough research is essential. Before investing, scrutinize the company's business model, its financial health, and the industry it operates in. Understand the company's potential for growth and evaluate its risks. Look through the company's prospectus, a document detailing its business strategy, financial statements, and potential risks. Analyze the market conditions and industry trends. Remember, an informed decision is always a better decision. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing in IPOs. Investing in IPOs can be a game changer, but it's not without its risks. This statement encapsulates the essence of our journey through initial public offerings today. We've explored the basics, understanding the fundamental principles that govern IPOs. We've seen the potential for high returns, the allure that often draws investors to this arena. Yet, alongside the promise of returns, we've also delved into the risks. The world of IPOs, as with any investment, carries its fair share of unpredictability and potential for loss. Diversification, we've learned, is a key strategy in mitigating these risks and fostering a healthy investment portfolio. Beyond risks and returns, we've also touched upon the new investment opportunities IPOs present. They offer a unique gateway into emerging businesses and industries. And throughout, we've emphasized the importance of research. Informed decisions, after all, are the foundation of successful investing. With these 10 important points in mind, you are now better equipped to navigate the exciting world of IPOs.